Have you ever forgotten why you entered a room? Or searched for your keys only to find them right in your hand? If that happens often, don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you that there's a habit that only takes 10 minutes a day to prevent Alzheimer's? Would you believe it? Scientists call this the memory shield habit, a natural shield that keeps the brain young, flexible, and sharp even after you're 60. In today's video, we're going to explore that, something that many people mistakenly think is small, but can actually save your entire memory future. Before we get started, subscribe to Wellness Roots Journey, like, and share the video so I have more motivation to create meaningful content like this every day. Now, join me in discovering this 10-minute secret, something that can change the way you look at aging forever. In 2019, in a small village in Japan, which has the highest proportion of elderly people in the world, researchers discovered something strange. Most of the residents here still have excellent memories even though they are over 80 years old. There is no magic pill. There is no modern technology, just, they spend 10 minutes a day doing only one thing. When asked for the secret, an 87-year-old man laughed and said, "I just talk to my brain every morning." That seemingly strange statement led scientists to a big discovery: the habit of activating the brain by deliberately practicing memory every day. Alzheimer's isn't a natural part of aging. It's a progressive, degenerative brain disease that affects more than 6 million Americans, according to the Alzheimer's Association. A new person is diagnosed every 65 seconds. Scary, right? But there's good news. In 40% of cases, lifestyle factors can significantly reduce your risk of developing the disease. That means you can take a proactive approach to protecting your memory, starting with just one small action, and 10 minutes a day is a great place to start. This habit is called the brain activation routine, or what I like to call 10 minutes of mindful memory. It consists of 3 parts: activate short-term memory, recall 3 things you did yesterday; activate emotions, write or say 3 things you are grateful for today; activate focus, do a small exercise like counting backwards from 100-7. It sounds simple, but this combination forces the brain to work in sync, stimulating the hippocampus, where long-term memory is stored. When you force your brain to remember, feel, and pay attention all at the same time, you're training your neurons to communicate more effectively, explains Dr. Lisa Mosconi, a neuroscientist at Weill Cornell Medicine. In other words, you're not just working out your body every morning, you're also working out your brain, and like muscles, the brain grows when stimulated properly. As we age, our brains start to lose the ability to make new connections. But the amazing thing is, they never stop learning. Studies show that just 10 minutes of focused brain training a day for 8 weeks can increase memory and concentration by 30%. You don't need to learn a complicated new skill. Just talk to yourself, write in a journal, or read aloud a passage from a favorite book. It's not that they don't have time. It's that they don't believe that little things can make a big difference, like exercise. The effects come slowly and silently, but every day you skip it, your brain gets weaker. Imagine, 10 minutes today could be the reason you can still remember your grandchild's face in 10 years. Best time, in the morning after waking up, when your brain is not yet flooded with information, space, quiet, with natural light, tools, a small notebook and a pen. Duration, 10 minutes a day. At first, you may find it difficult to concentrate. But after just 2 weeks, you will feel the difference: a brighter mind, less forgetfulness, and a more positive spirit. When practicing brain activation routine, you can combine soft music, lo-fi, classical, to stimulate the emotional area. Take 3 deep breaths before starting. Smile, because dopamine is the fuel for memory. Just a few seconds of fun can make the exercise twice as effective. Martha, 72, of Texas, was terrified when her doctor told her she had early signs of Alzheimer's. Instead of giving up, she tried this 10-minute routine. After 6 months, her cognitive test results improved dramatically. "I no longer fear aging," she says. "Every morning, I sit by the window and write down 3 things I'm grateful for. And I feel alive again." Sometimes, small persistence is the most powerful thing. In addition to exercise, the brain needs good fuel. Combine this 10-minute routine with a diet rich in omega-3s, curcumin, and flavonoids, nutrients that help protect nerve cells. A breakfast of eggs, avocado, walnuts, and green tea is a great start to the day. Do something else while practicing. Brain can't double focus. Ignore emotions. Because memory is tied to emotions. Don't be consistent. The magic happens after 21 days. Many people report feeling more alert, more confident, and less anxious. One person wrote, "I no longer fear forgetting people's names in conversation." You'll find your brain becomes a trusted friend, simply by giving it 10 minutes of love every day. Imagine yourself 10 years from now, still remembering every story, every face, every memory, not through drugs or technology, but through a small habit today. That's the power of being proactive. You can't control time, but you can control how your brain ages. If you believe that brain health is as important as heart health, start today, just 10 minutes. A notebook. A ready mind. Share in the comments, what would you spend those 10 minutes doing? And don't forget to subscribe to Wellness Roots Journey, like, and share this video with your loved ones so we can build a generation free of Alzheimer's. You can't stop time, but you can slow it down, starting today.